welcome back to my channel Dazzling Poo, and I'm Poonam. So in today's video I'm going to share another look from hashtag 7day 7 celebrity look challenge, and this is an inspired look from Katrina Kaif. She's my most favorite. I just love her. She's so beautiful and gorgeous. So I have just attempt to recreate her one look in this video, because in this series I'm going to do 7 celebrity look. Hope you like this video. So without any further delay, now we will directly fly to the video. Ta-ding. So before starting this makeup, I'm gonna do my skincare first. So for that I'm using this toner from Wow all over my face, and using this toner is way easier because it comes with a pump, and when it will get dry then I will use my moisturizer, and here I'm using this Plum's moisturizer. This is a green tea moisturizer, so it is very good for if you have any kind of pimple prone skin or any kind of skin problem, and it suits to all skin type persons. So this is a very good moisturizer. So after applying this, you need to wait for at least 2 minutes so that this skincare layer will stick on your face. And after that, for another security layer, I'm using this primer from Nykaa. This is a prep up primer from Nykaa, and it is gel based, and it's really very good primer. So it will also create a good layer for my skin. And after that, for the base I'm using this Wet n Wild foundation. This is in the shade Golden Beige. So I will apply this foundation all over my face in dotted motion, and after that I will just spread it with a flattened brush all over my skin. So here I'm using this flatten brush. This is not a blending brush, let me clear. And after spreading all over this foundation with this brush, I'm gonna use a blender for properly blend this foundation on my face and with my skin. So yeah, blending is almost done with the help of this blender. So now I'm going to use this a concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade medium. So I will use this concealer for my dark circles and over my eyes for applying some kind of eyeshadow, and on my highlighting point and wherever the point I have any kind of spots or any kind of pigmentation. So if you feel some time that your concealer is looking very much cakey, or then you should apply very less amount of any kind of concealer and then just blend it. And after that, if you need to feel like you need to apply some more, then just apply the another layer of that concealer. In this way, if you apply your concealer, then it will came out like very subtle and very blendable and very smooth kind of look. So I am just blending this concealer all over my face, like wherever the points I have applied it. And after that I will set it with this compact. This is from Color Bar. You can use any kind of compact for setting your concealer. So I'm using this compact wherever the points I have applied this concealer, and I'm also gonna do baking with this compact. Yes, you can do any kind of baking with the compact. It will give you the look like you have done baking with some loose powder. So yeah, I'm doing my baking with this compact. So after that, I'm gonna use this one of my favorite Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna pick this dark brown shade for filling my eyebrows. You can fill your eyebrows very easily with some eyeshadow. So you just need a angled and flattened brush for filling eyebrows. You can see the difference. And after that, I'm using this light brown shade from the palette Wet n Wild Rose in the Air shade name. So I'm doing this color as my transition shade as well my eyeshadow color, because her look is like a bit of nude kind of look she has opted. And so for that I'm using this a very light kind of shade for my eyes, to giving a like very good and a big kind of eye look. So I'm just blending it all over my eyes, this color. And yeah, it's done almost with my eyeshadow. And after that I'm using this eyeliner. This is from Mars. I haven't seen this eyeliner much on any site like Nykaa and Amazon, but if you wanna check out this then you can just check out in on like Flipkart with the brand name Mars. You can just give it a try. I haven't even tried, but I think it may be available on Flipkart. If you want to check out, then you can go. So now I'm removing the excess powder which I used for my baking thing, so it will give me a fresh and a natural kind of look to my skin. It will not look way whiter if I will remove this powder. So after that I'm using this Maybelline's Colossal Kajal, and yeah, its numbers सब उड़ चुके हैं इसके. This is only plain yellow thing now. And after Kajal I'm using this Mega Protein Wet n Wild mascara, and this is a waterproof mascara. This is really affordable. If you are a beginner, then this is a must thing for you, because this is really a quality product. And after that I'm just blending my kajal with the brown shade, and you can see the result after blending this in my both of eyes. This is the difference. And after that I'm using this nude kind of blush. This is also from Wet n Wild in the shade Apricot in the middle, and it has inbuilt highlighter. So this is like a 2-in-1. It will work like a highlighter and also as blush. And after that I'm picking this highlighting shade from this Revolution palette for my brow bone and to highlight my inner corner also. So makeup के आखिरी स्टेप की ओर बढ़ते हुए now I'm gonna use this lipstick from Huda Beauty, and after applying this lipstick I'm almost done with my makeup, and now you can see the final results. And yeah, this is the final results, and if you like this look then एक thumbs up तो इस वीडियो को दे ही दीजिए. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was so easy to create a look like Katrina Kaif because I love her, and I also attempted to click a photo of like her in this pose, but I think it is a failure because I couldn't take a photo exactly like her, but it is a little bit of like her. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, and we'll see you in my next video with some another celebrity look. And till then, bye bye, and